On the lips this time.
Okay.
Yes!
This has been a very difficult decision between meeting Eddie and Ryan. As much as you can really like someone's personality, when it comes down to it, if there is no physical attraction between you two, then it's just not going to work.
The decision to see Ellie today has been the easiest one of the whole experience, really, and I'm just hoping that she liked the way I look more than the way Ryan looked.
My world's falling apart. I just can't take it. I'm feeling so fragile. I think I've found something now that's worth fighting for, I suppose.
As two daters have chosen to meet the same person, they will wait simultaneously in separate rooms.
I'm probably the most scared I've ever been. It's horrible.
Knowing that Ryan was in the room next to me made it even worse, in fact. Knowing that it was going to be one of us who was going to be left disappointed. She could go for Ryan, she could go for me, so hopefully it will be me.
I don't think I'm the most unattractive person in the world, and I'd like to think that my personality and the way we were in the dark room means more than if I was the most attractive person in the world.
Hello.
Hello.
I was not expecting that at all.
Oh, really?
No, not at all. You're right.
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
A mess. Jesus Christ, yeah. Oh, my God.
We sat down and I decided to ask him what kind of game he'd been playing.
Okay, so I think our date went pretty well, but then obviously you had a date with Gemma afterwards. That was really hard, so I was like, oh, okay, what game is he playing?
I thought that, I think it would be a good idea to try and chase Gemma. I knew it would come back and bite me. I wish I could have turned back time with the day with Gemma and not done it, actually. I think it was a bit of male bravado coming through.
You're so tall!
I know, yeah. You put me through hell.
Oh, come on, let's go.
Let's go.
I stood there for what felt like about 10 years. My first reaction was, oh no.
When it comes down to it, as much as I had a great time on my date with Ryan, I just didn't find him attractive.
So maybe I wasn't, you know, the best looker, but I thought there was something in the dark room that would have erased that, I suppose.
Unfortunately, looks do matter, and, you know, I'm only human. And if you fancy someone, you fancy someone, and usually the first thing you notice about someone is the way they look.
And so who was a better kisser, me or Ryan?
I don't know, maybe I need another kiss to find out.
Do you? All right.
saucy minx. Now, giving you time to practice your pottery skills, Dating in the Dark will be back in 1 week as the dark gets scarier, courtesy of Yvette Fielding and her most chilling series yet. 8 nights of fear begin, going closer to the edge than ever before. Most Haunted Live 2009 kicks off on Living Saturday night at 8.